Welcome back to another Empties video. In this Empties video, it's not the Dollar Tree products, but it's other brand products. So let's get started because I only have 13 minutes left on my camera and we gotta get it done. First item I have is a Suave Waterfall Mist Conditioner. I always run out of conditioner first. This is no unordinary event for me. But this is 12 ounces. It's 93 cents at Walmart. Smells amazing. Loved it. Continue to repurchase Suave. A Bath & Body Works product, I have a Malibu Heat. It's a fragrance spray. There's a little bit left in here, but honestly, I cannot stand the smell anymore. It's very tropical-y, and I've been trying to get through it forever, and I don't like it. Another item, same thing. I just cannot stand the smell anymore. It's a Ode Pocket Bag and Fresh Lavender. Yeah, I just cannot stand that scent anymore, so that's going. I have some stuff for Connor. This is the Finding Dory body wash. Smelled great, lathered great, all that good jazz. I mean, what's not to love? Dial Kids, love this too. This is 24 fluid ounces. This is about $5 or $6 at Walmart. It's a body plus hair wash, ages 2+, and it's tear-free and bubbleberry. I really like this. I've repurchased Dial Kids for a while now. I really like it. I have an Onyx Pure Acetone nail polish remover. I always have at least one of these in my Empties. Love this stuff. It's great. It's been months since I filmed an Empties video, so I have a ton of wipes. These are from my makeup table, Connor, bathroom use, all that good stuff. Lavender wipes, I have 2 of those from Dollar General. I like them. 72 count, under $2. They're really nice. I have one of these, it was a special scent. It was Magnolia Blossom. Really good from Parents' Choice, 80 count. These are the Fresh Woodland wipes. Loved these. I wish I could find them again, 80 count, Parents' Choice. All of these are from Parents' Choice and they're the Powder Fresh wipes. I love them. I love the way these smell. It reminds me of a new baby and yes, gives me baby fever. So I love these. I have a mask, only one sheet mask, and it's a Snell mask, and it was lifting moisturizing facial mask from Malibu Glitz. Found this on shopmissay.com. These sheet masks are great. They're very moisturizing and leave your skin feeling very radiant and moisturized when you wake up in the morning. I love them. So I only had one of those. I have a package of these Wonder Wedge cosmetic sponges. I use these for ombres on my nails. It's a 32 count. And you can find these at various stores. I have one of the Dollar General eye makeup remover pads. There's 30 in here. I get about 15 uses out of these. They're $1.50. I think they work wonderful to remove eye makeup. They're very gentle and they just work really good. They're the little square ones. I have 2 packages of the Pure and Gentle makeup remover wipes. Absolutely love these. 30 wipes for 97 cents at Walmart. They work amazing, and I can still not thank Shani enough for mentioning these in her video and directing me in the direction of these. They're amazing. If you haven't tried them, you should. Some random beauty products quickly. I have a nail buffer that's just kind of falling apart, so I'm going to toss that. These eyebrow razors from Noxzema are amazing. You guys need to try them. I never have any cuts or razor burn around my eyebrows or anything. They're amazing. Once again, some nail products. I have the LA Colors Glam Fashion Nails. These were great. They're short length and I love the fun designs and fun color. They're like I said, they were $1 and you get 12 nails and you have to get your own glue and stuff, but they were great. I'll insert a picture. The Salon Effects from Sally Hansen. These are beautiful in the packaging there. They look holographic, but really they're just gold and glittery. They were kind of sheer as well. They were just gold glitter and like a purple glitter. So the packaging is misdeceiving, and I will never buy a package of those at full price again. Only from like Dollar Tree or something. Makeup Empties. I have the Rimmel eyeshadow primer. This thing is great. It didn't crease on me. It lasts all day. I love the consistency of it. But I used it up in Project Pan, as well as some of the other products I'm going to show. The Maybelline Baby Skin, a good skin primer, nothing wrong with it, I just Project Panned it. Same with the Super Greens Pro FX polish. This, they don't make it anymore. It's thick and goopy now, and it's pretty much gone. This stuff was amazing. I loved it on my nails as like a strengthener. Another Project Pan item was the CoverGirl Outlast Stay Fabulous 3-in-1 foundation. Love this foundation. It looks like there's a lot still in here, but honestly that is stuck to the sides and the pump won't get any more out, and I've moved on to other foundations, so I am okay with letting this go now. I have the Just Color Matte Liquid Eyeliner from shopmissay.com, and this is amazing. It was great. Unfortunately though, after about 6 months, it did dry out really badly. Like, it still looks amazing, but once you start trying to apply it on your lid and do a wing liner and stuff, it doesn't work anymore. It's too thick and dried out. And it's beautiful eyeliner. Great for $1. I also used up the Sally Hansen Miracle Gel Top Coat. This stuff was really good, thick, dried fairly quickly, and made my nail polish last at least a week, and my hands are always in water. I'm always doing stuff, so good product. This China Glaze beautiful glittery polish here. It's in a Bat My Eyes. It was a limited edition Halloween polish from many moons ago. It's completely dried up, and I don't have any other problems with any other brands but China Glaze with this problem. It's just ridiculous I feel like you pay $6 for these polishes and they dry up, and it's always the limited edition polishes, you guys. I've only had that problem with those. Sad face. I went to my makeup table to grab a wipe to wipe that eyeliner off, and yeah, another package of wipes gone from Pure and Gentle. Once again, they're amazing and you need to try them out. Alright, you guys, we're at the end of the line, and we're going to go through some candles and some waxes very quickly here. This one I found at a yard sale. I don't know what brand it is, but it's a peach sherbet candle. It smelled okay. It didn't have a great throw, you know. This one came from a little local dollar store we have here, and it's caramel maple, and this smelled really awesome for $1. Very mapley kind of candle, very. So strong, so strong. Also, same local dollar store, I got one of these pure vanilla candles. This is amazing. I always purchase a few of these every time I go. Such a strong vanilla scent. I got some of these little candles that I purchased around Christmas time that you saw in a haul. This one is Darkest Sandalwood. This did not have really a throw at all. Won't be purchasing Darkest Sandalwood again. There was really nothing there. It burnt great though. Lake Walk, let's see. Very kind of cologne scent. This did have a small throw. It was nice. Maybe in the future I might try this one again. Burnt great. Once again, these are like 97 or 93 cents. And I have Warm Apple Pie, which was the best one of all of them. Oh, it smells amazing. It's just a great, good old-fashioned bakery scent. I will get that one in a big one later on. Last two candles I have here are Classic Flannel, and it's from the Walnut Avenue, and these are very similar to Bath & Body Works candles. They burn great. They smell amazing. This one had a really great throw. It just smells so good. For $5, it's pretty great. Okay, and last candle, I have Vanilla Bean Noel. I don't know how old this thing is. I actually found it at a vendor's mall for $1. And it was full candle. I guess I didn't like the scent. There was nothing wrong with it. It burnt amazing. And are you kidding me? Bath & Body Works candle for $1? I'm going to snatch this baby up. It's one of the big ones too. So, yeah. Of course, this smelled amazing. Vanilla Bean Noel is one of my favorite scents from Bath & Body Works. Now, moving on to waxes, and these will be the last items that I have. So I have Sweet Candied Apples, and this one smelled really nice, very appley. It had a decent throw. I would repurchase that one in the future. This is one I will definitely repurchase, and it's spiced apple pie plus cloves. Oh man, this one is so high-pitched and amazing. It's one of them dual scented ones. Oh my goodness. Apple butter was very disappointing. It's a limited edition scent. It smells like apple in the packaging. and it literally had it had such a faint throw, you might as well say it didn't even have one. So disappointed in that one. And last one will also be a repurchase, and it was called Fall into Autumn. This is such a great scent. It's very high-pitched scent. It's like a woodsy, kind of appley scent. I don't know how to describe it, but it was amazing. So yes, that's all for the Empties video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more Empties videos. Don't forget to thumbs up the video, subscribe, and ring that bell so you don't miss any other upcoming videos from me. Always check that description box for additional links as well. Thank you guys again for watching.